It's Sunday, June 26th, and my husband is off to West Virginia. He's working on an old house that we're hoping is going to be our retirement home, and he's got to do some cleaning out. We're going to pretty much gut it before we move into it. We have a couple of years left though. But anyway, while he's gone, I decided that I would just go camping. It's kind of a spur of the moment. I'm going to Hamilton Branch State Park. It's very beautiful and it's on the Strom-Thurmond Lake. I thought I would just spend 4 days out by the lake in my tent. I'll see you at the campsite. I just arrived at my campsite, number 15 at Hamilton Branch. It's just the way I remember it. Really beautiful. This is a nice shady spot for my tent. Nice and flat, and it has good healthy trees over top. So it'll be a little protection. I think we're supposed to get a thunderstorm or two anyway. But one of the things that I really love about this site is, first of all, it's good access to big water. And then I love the fire ring right there, right on the edge. It's really nice. So this site does have electricity and water. So it's time for me to start unpacking and get my tent set up. Couldn't put my kitchen up until this morning. I got so hot yesterday. Had a little trouble with my tent. A screw came out of one of the poles. But I finally got that fixed. I improvised and used a stake. I'll show you what happened. Right over here. See the stake running right there. The screw came out right of that thing, and I couldn't find it. I looked everywhere and couldn't find it. So anyway, once I figured out what to do about that, everything came together pretty easily. But I've just been spending most of my morning in here. Had hoped I could get in the lake today, and I still might, but it's not sunny at all. Still really pretty though. It has this little cliff thing to go down to get to the water. But I kind of like it that way because it doesn't stay marshy. Pretty nice. Very private site. There's my tent. In the trees. see any other neighbors. There's a campsite over there through the trees. Let's see, I think there's a little pathway here. Yeah, you can see there's a campsite there, but it's pretty far. And then my neighbors are way over there. I really like this campsite. It might not be good for a camper, for an RV, because this is a little tight, but it's perfect for a tent. Kids here for me and did some painted blocks. Thunderstorms. It's been thundering a bit. I don't know if it's coming this way or not. But the lake is as still as it can be. It's really beautiful. It's raining, but I'm sitting under my shade chair, so I'm good. This is the first bit of rain we've had, and so far it's a very nice rain. It's cooling things down a bit. Just coming straight down, wind's not too bad. Still sitting in the screen room with my fan. And tent's doing fine. Yeah, it's been a very lovely day, and I don't mind this rain at all. I hope it stays like this. It stopped raining around midnight last night, and I thought we were done. Then around like 6 o'clock on the nose, it started this again. Starting to get a puddle outside of the screen tent. Okay, we have a reprieve from the rain. I went ahead and tore my kitchen down. I've got it in the car drying, you know, all the tables and stuff, because it's supposed to rain again either today or tonight. I'll take my kitchen tent down after it has a chance to dry a little bit. That'll be one less thing I have to do tomorrow. But right now it's pretty beautiful out here. Really nice, not too hot. The tent fared okay, but we had rain pretty much all night and all morning. So got things piled in here, trying to let them dry out. I don't want to take a risk of them getting wet again before I have to pack up tomorrow. It's already going to be kind of messy packing up. But today, I'm just going to enjoy this beautiful view. since I put my kitchen tent away and everything, the stove and everything, I am having backpacking style meals. So for lunch I'm having mashed potatoes. And I think it's gonna be good. I would like to feed them, but I'm afraid there'd be too many of them climbing up on the bank. It's like they're waiting for me to do something here. Gosh, a lot of them. Oh, time to turn around. Absolutely gorgeous tonight. Sometimes see something so beautiful that you can't stop filming it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. We could be somewhere in Hawaii, somewhere in the Caribbean. But no, we're here in South Carolina on Lake Strom Thurmond.